Good day, folks. Welcome to the weekly report project. Like I told you, we're going to be doing 10 projects. Today, we're going to be starting with the weekly report in Excel. If you are watching the video, the best thing for you to do is to pause the video, go and open Excel, the first sheet that refer to as sheet 1. Right click on the first sheet and go to rename. You rename the first sheet weekly report, and then you tap every necessary thing you see in this project. Tap it from start to end, and then after tapping, follow the video so we can come to the calculation. So if you've done that already, what you do, just follow the calculation. The weekly report is about our report for the week. If we are a seller, maybe we have a store, we have a shop, we want to get our total for the week. For those who sell our goods, we want to get a total, we can get it from right here. So we call it a weekly sale report. Those things that you sell and you want to get the report on a weekly basis. So in a weekly report project, we start with the heading. We have seller, the product. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have total sale. People that sell, we have Aliyu, Lulu, Ibrahim, Kate, and I have Ami. These are things they sell for us. Rice, cassava, beans, corn, and that of oil. So Aliyu was able to sell maybe a cup of rice, maybe 10 cup of rice or 15 cup of rice, but you were able to sell for the whole of Monday $55,000, 5,500, 6,900, 7,690. Thursday $4,360, Friday $4,360 as well. So we want to know the total. Like when you come here, we get grand total, meaning all of the sales that they have made, we will find the grand total and find the final money for the week. After that, we know the average. From the average, we want to know the highest sale. Who have the highest sale for the week? Who have the lowest sale for the week, which is what minimum. Then we want to count the sale these numbers are sitting in as well. So we begin, but firstly, these numbers have to be changed to currency, because for us, we are using two currency, like Liberia and America, using the dollar sign. So in Liberia, we are using a Liberian dollar. So we're going to highlight all of the number left. When you see the mouse pointer in the cell here, left click and hold it, and then drag it and highlight all of the number. When you highlight all of the numbers, you come right here to the number group and come over to what they call general. Open general and take currency. Open general here and take currency. Left click on currency. Once you left click on currency, all of the money is going to change to a dollar sign. So you determine whether it's a Liberian dollar or it's a USD. So you determine it. So after that, you come to the total. So I want to know Aliyu total. The total money Aliyu generated for rice. I want to know the total. So I'm going to say equal SUM parenthesis open. I'm going to click on the first money for Monday. Left click, I hold it, and then I drag it to Friday. I keep dragging it till it reach to Friday. Once it reach to Friday, I'm going to release my mouse. Once I release my mouse, you'll see the formula here. C2 through G2. So it means that the first money on a Monday is on the codon C. This is codon C, row 2. This is row 2. So it becomes C2. So there is a C2. That's why you see the C2 here. So since we highlighted from the first Monday here to Friday, the last one is Friday, which is what G, codon G, row 2. So it becomes what G2. The codon in between here is called through in Excel. We call it through. It's because of this sign in between here that highlighted that what I gave us all the calculation in between here. That bring all of them together in between here. This is called through. It's not called codon in Excel. It's called through. So if you do the calculation like this, just press enter on your keyboard. Once you press enter, it will give us the total $28,810. That's what Aliyu generated for the week. So if I want to generate the next person, which is Lulu, I do the same thing. Equal SUM parenthesis open, and then you left click on the money on Lulu, which is what C3. Left click on C3 and drag it to Friday. You see C3 to G3, and then you press enter. That's another form. So if I want to get another total again, I'll say equal SUM parenthesis open. So I'll click on the first one. If I don't want to drag it, then you hold a shift and press the through sign, the button right after L. The button after L button, the L alphabet, the button after L is called the column, that's a column, but we use it as through in Excel. So you press it, it will appear C4. Then you click on the last one to Friday. Once you click on it, you're going to highlight all of them like you highlighted, and then you press enter. So if Friday you got the first answer, you get the second, the third. So I'm going to show you another way again of getting all of the answers at once. So I'm going to remove this, I will highlight, and then I delete. So in order to put it back, I will say equal SUM parenthesis open. I click on the answer here, and then I drag it to the first line to Friday. So C22G2, and then I press enter. So this is the answer. So if I'm an Excel student, I already found the first answer. Don't worry yourself. Excel say you don't have to worry yourself. Once you find the first answer, you come to the bottom of this answer here. Let me zoom it so you can see it. Come to the bottom of the answer. Once you come to the bottom, what you do, it will turn out a black plus. Once you turn out a black plus, you left click, you drag it down to the rest of them. As soon as you release it, you're going to generate all of the answers for you. You're going to generate all of the answers for you. Or if you're not able to drag down, another way again, when you click there, once you point there, just double click 2 times, 1, 2. It's going to give you all. That's another way. So we have generated all of the totals for these individuals that have sold our goods. So we want to find our grand total. So here is a grand total line. We want to find the grand total. So here we're going to place the grand total. In order to find the grand total, the overall total, we say equal SUM parenthesis open. Whenever you want to add, the sum is for addition, equal sum parenthesis open, and then you highlight all of the totals. So I'll click on the first total and bring it down, highlight it down, and release it. You see from H2 to H6 is all of the total, and then I press enter. So the total money is $159,072. So that's the total money that they generated for me during the week. So in order to find the average, here I'm going to find the average for Monday. So in order to find the average, since it is average, I'm going to say equal AVERAGE, average, parenthesis open, and then I click and drag it down for Monday. So if I press enter, the average for this number is $5,780. That's the average. So I want to know the highest sale for Monday. What's the highest sale? Who did the highest sale for Monday? So I'll say this is maximum. This is maximum. The abbreviation for maximum is max. So I'll say equal MAX, parenthesis open, and then I highlight the figure on a Monday, just on a Monday, and then I press enter. It's going to give me the highest sale, $9,750. Who's the person? I have Ibrahim. So Ibrahim has the highest sale for Monday. So I want to know who has the lowest sale for Monday. So I'm going to say equal MIN, which is the one minimum, parenthesis open, and then you click on the same Monday figure and bring it down. You press enter on the keyboard. So it's going to give you the lowest sale for Monday. So the lowest sale for Monday is for Army. Army have $3,280, and it's showing here it's the lowest. So I want to count the amount of sale that these numbers are sitting in. So I will say equal, since that is count, I'll say equal COUNT, parenthesis open. I highlight all of the cells, the numbers, and then I press enter. So you're going to tell me that these numbers are saying that in 5 cells. They're saying that in 5 cells. So what if I want to get the max, the average for Tuesday? I don't have to type it again. So Excel make it easy. What you do, click on it. Once you click on it, I will zoom it so you can see it. Once you click on it, come at the bottom. It will be highlighted green. Come at the bottom, it will turn with plus or small plus sign. Left click, hold it, you drag it, keep dragging it until you go to Friday. Yeah, to the Friday. I'm not going to total. So if I release it, it will give me the average for Tuesday to Friday. Then I click on the maximum answer as well. I come to the bottom again. Left click, I hold it, I drag it from there to Friday. So you're going to tell me all of the maximum for the days. So I'm going to the minimum, which is the lowest, and then I come to the bottom again. Left click, hold it, and then I drag it. it's going to give me all of the minimum. So the best way as a businessman to understand your business is to understand the minimum and the maximum. So the maximum I want to know, 9,750 was what? Was beans, and that was Ibrahim that sold the beans. Then we have $8,070. It's the same beans. So beans were bought 2 times in a week highest. So I come down to the maximum again, 9,780. 9,780 here is what? Corn. So another one again, 9,875. 9,875. This is cassava. Then I got 9,875 again. 9,875. That was corn. So if I'm a businessman, I want to focus on beans and corn, because beans and corn came 2 times in the maximum. They came 2 times in the maximum. So it means that these goods are goods that can really go during the week. So I'm going to focus on it and to buy more and to get more profit. So if you found the video helpful to you, please comment in the comment section. We're going to get more advanced video on YouTube. So you can you can follow my YouTube. You can follow me on YouTube, Africa Online Computer School. So you can get more of this video, more of the advanced video. This is just a tutorial of the introduction of Excel. So if you found this video helpful to you, please don't hesitate to go to my YouTube channel and follow me there. So thank you once again. I'm Shedrack K. Sapet. Your comment is very important to me. Thanks.